What's going on, guys? Tonight we're What's going on, guys? Today we're gonna be installing a couple gauges on the car, as well as our Apex-i SAFC. Alright, so this is what we got in the box. All pressure gauge, AC vent thingy. I spray painted it black. Boost gauge. SAFC. And on the white band. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and install everything there, all the gauges, and see if I need to extend wires or anything like that. Yeah, so this is basically how it's gonna look at the end. So I already got the gauges lined up. Let's see, opening ceremony. Right, so we got the SAFC installed too. The gauges. Let's see. Yep, there we go. It's all installed. So yeah. Total body is not even opening to 100%. This is all start. So I started removing all the AC components before. I got all the stuff from the front removed, lines and stuff that go to the firewall on that side. And all I had left was the AC compressor, and that's what I'm gonna do now. It's just one bolt here, one bolt on the opposite side, and then two on the bottom. Those two. Yeah, so we got the AC compressor off, so all the way down there, and now we're gonna remove this bracket, which is 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts facing the block. Now without the AC compressor, we got a lot of room for activities. Yep. Another thing that I've been eager to install is the relocation kit. Thank you. Yeah, so that's how everything comes in the box. For the box here, I'm gonna go ahead and install this. Let's see how it looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean all this up. I have to go to the garbage can and throw all that, close the compressor and stuff, and then when I come back I have to raise the car on the back so I can make the holes so I can install the battery box in the trunk. So that's next. Alright, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and see where I want the battery box to be located at. I really want it in the center. Now I'm jacking up the car just to make sure that nothing at the bottom is gonna break when I drill the hole for the battery box. So that's where I have to do the 2 holes, because I don't really want it back there, but it's hard to reach on the bottom. It is a bad, but it'll sit like that. Yeah. So now that I have the holes made, I went ahead and put the threaded rods through it, the box in. I put some nuts on it in order for it to not fall down, and since I'm by myself, I'll just hold it there until I get it tight. Now I'm just gonna go under the car and put the other set of nuts and washers on the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's one of the rods. There's the other one. Now what we have to do is route the red wire all the way to the front. Alright, so just to make it easier, I'm gonna route the red wire through that hole, and then behind the wheel, I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a hole right here that goes to the cabin. And if you go inside the car and look behind the ECU, the wire will come from there. Then I'm just gonna keep pulling the thing. Now I'm just gonna keep pulling the wire. Just take it all the way to there, all the way back. Yeah, so I got the whole thing routed all the way back. It only took me like 3 minutes. I put a zip tie here. That way it's out of the way of the passenger until I get a carpet on the plastic that covers the ECU. All that is gonna be taut. So the wire came out the back seat under there, and I just have to cut the excess and install the battery terminal and pull the battery to the back a little bit. Alright, so I already got the red wire to the factory plugs. Now we're gonna go ahead and get this terminals tight. Oh shit. Hopefully I didn't just damage the battery. Hopefully. So me. And now the moment of truth. Yep, we got power. So that's the end result. I put some stickers I had laying around.